Let's explore some other innovative controls on the MDWDRC2-Native Dynamic Range Controller. One such control is release override, which recaptures some of the subtleties that may be lost to long release times. Release override takes over if the current release is too slow to capture a word. So we have a word here in the vocal. I'll play it once.
While I've been away, each and every day, my heart was beating next to you. Oh yeah.
I want to point out two spots.
While I've been away,
While I've been away.
while I've been away, each and every day, my heart was beating next.
And my heart was beating. I'm going to turn on the release override to try to capture these small dynamic vocals just after a big peak. So
While I've been away, while I've been away,
while I've been away,
while I've been away,
the I,
while I've been away,
we're going to turn on release override and see what the difference is.
while I've been away, while I've been away,
Compared to,
while I've been away, each and every day, my heart was beating next.
let's look for was beating.
My
Here's
heart was
without.
beating,
Here's without.
my heart was beating next.
Here's with.
My heart was beating next.
The was is lifted. Just that one word.
My heart was beating next to you. Oh yeah.
Pretty good.